COVID-19's dual effects, shifting demographic trends and public health infrastructure in Ghana. By Andrew Kweku Kondua. Introduction. The COVID-19 pandemic has underscored the critical importance of robust public health infrastructure in addressing infectious diseases. This chapter investigates Ghana's demographic effects and public health infrastructure challenges amidst the COVID-19 crisis. Purpose and objectives. This study aims to analyze the impact of COVID-19 on demographic trends and public health infrastructure in Ghana. Specifically, it seeks to examine the mortality rates, healthcare accessibility, and infrastructure deficits exacerbated by the pandemic. Literature review. Previous research highlights the significant demographic disruptions caused by pandemics, leading to elevated mortality rates and exacerbation of existing health disparities. Additionally, studies have identified underfunding and underproduction of global health resources as critical challenges in the pandemic response. System thinking concepts emphasize understanding the interplay of factors within the health system. While the theory of health and development underscores the importance of a healthy population for economic growth. Methodology. This study employs a qualitative research approach utilizing corpus construction and secondary data analysis. The selection of materials for analysis is functionally equivalent to sampling, allowing for a comprehensive examination of demographic effects and health infrastructure deficits. Results. The findings reveal the profound demographic disruptions caused by COVID-19, including increased mortality rates and challenges in accessing healthcare services. Moreover, the study highlights the underfunding and underproduction of global health resources, as evidenced by findings from the World Health Organization. Conclusions. The study underscores the need for international cooperation and strategic alliances to address the multifaceted challenges posed by pandemics. Recommendations include prioritizing vaccine distribution, strengthening international health systems, improving service quality, and increasing financial investments in public health infrastructure. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.